So, okay, there's a few different schools of thought with how high to mount your anvil. One of them being, and this is about right on the money for, stand up straight, wherever your fist falls is where your anvil should be. In this case, this is about 1/2 inch short. And that's if you do this style, holding it like this, and you're, that's not how I forge. I forge like a gremlin, I forge like this. Which is not what you're supposed to do. You'll see a lot of historical references of blacksmiths, like literally in the form of paintings, where they're flat back over like this, working, and that's kind of more how I do it, just with worse posture. In which case, you want your anvil to be hitting about there. So I might only want another inch out of this, but it definitely feels too low. I don't know what the science is other than the fist thing, because I go completely off of feel. I'm gonna shim it up until I get the right posture.